I don't know how the fuck is
This is gonna be beat.
Look, go right there, John. John, go right there. Oh, that was great.
Couldn't do it, man. Future Olympic gold medal winner.
Did you ever take it down here?
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta see this.
That's kidding. That's
He
kidding.
was on this before, Frank.
I'm going through the powder first.
I bet off my brother.
And where's the G-Man going?
Call me next time you come up here.
I think Frank, Gavin just said he's like Frank's on his way up here.
I'll fucking kill you.
I didn't call anybody. My girlfriend just came out.
Fuck you, Ren.
Go on, Ren. You going down?
Where's he going from?
It's going through the trees, man.
You idiot. Shot cut one.
Come on, dude.
The side-by-side tribunal.
You're gone, huh?
Fucking deep, man.
Is it?
You want me to make the run with the toboggan?
I don't know why the hell you went all the way up there anyway.
I don't know why you start right here on the side of the track.
Oh, he's coming. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. Fucking take it hard, man. Cruising.
You're fat, man.
Yeah, he's just thinking of a bottle to get the snow.
Oh, man.
It's fucking deep up there, man.
Is it?
Deep.
Come on, Joe.
Come on, hop out.
Come on, man.
Watch, there's a log there.
Here.
Go for it, G-Man. Go, G-Man. Go, G-Man. Nice one. Go for it. Yeah. Go for it. Hey, you were cranking before. Yeah, I know. Way to go.
Nowhere to turn on this trail, man.
What? The green one? Yeah, I'll go down.
Nowhere to turn, man. It's alright, look out, Gomby. No way to turn on this trail.
Speedo's a pussy though.
Yeah, he is a pussy.